My name's Pamela Agola Opio. I am a Luo by tribe, born in Kisumu. I hail from Kenya. Was suffering from my knee problems. I had an osteoarthritis for almost 4 years. The 5th year, I started attending Dr. Neraj's clinic in Empisha. He said now there's nothing more he can do to my knees. The only thing which is supposed to be done is only knee replacement. I started thinking of India. I tried to get rid of the doctors in India. So I got hold of a friend who is called Puja. Puja's parents are following the faith of Dada Bhagwan. So they introduced us to Amba Hospital. And when I was introduced to Amba Hospital through the WhatsApp, I was able to talk to the doctor, which is Dr. Monel. And the doctor had an appointment with me, arranged for my surgery, and I reached Amba Hospital on 10th, and the surgery was already booked on 12th, and I was taken to the theater on 12th with a team of several doctors, led by Dr. Monil, and my total knee replacement was done. Both left and right were done successfully, and I was taken to the ward the following day. The physio came and made me stand up and tried to walk, and from that day I've been treated so well. The hospital management is perfect. Even the caretakers were so good to me, so good. Amba Hospital is excellent in all the departments, and now I've fully recovered. I've been here for 3 weeks, and now it's only tomorrow. Then on Sunday, I'm flying back to Kenya. I can walk without support. I can stand, and with less pain. And if I go back to Kenya, I will make sure anybody suffering from knee problem comes to Amba Hospital